Why left hand down? He needs to be right hand down, doesn't he?
Right hand down, yeah.
I don't think there's actually anybody in the cab.
Brave man, if he's going to sit in that.
I think it's his van. I think it's his cab. Right, that one back a bit, loose a bit. I don't know, is that a good idea? Problem is the wheels are pointing the wrong way.
That wheel was turned the right way. It's just going to go along.
I've done this before. Is it? There might be something in the cab for all we know.
Yeah.
Martin, brilliant boys.
Reverse that.